Hi guys, it's me, Eric, back to another video. I'm with
my friend. Oh, my name is Ellen. Cheese.
Okay, we're doing a fidget spinner unboxing.
And his name is Eric.
I just said that, and this is what a fidget spinner is.
Stop.
Okay, we're
This
unboxing
is a fidget spinner.
And we're unboxing more fidget spinners. Comment down if you like to do more than one fidget spinner in one video, or just one fidget spinner in one video. So he will go first.
Okay. This fidget
No, you have
spinner.
to go close.
Alright. This is mine. This is my fidget spinner. Oops.
It's a golden fidget spinner with
No, actually it has
berry.
golden barrels and it has red skin.
see.
Red skin.
Okay, I'm gonna unbox mine. This is from Amazon, so it looks doesn't like his.
I'm gonna put mine in the box.
Oh. Ooh, bubble wrap. It's a metal fidget spinner that's very small.
That's brownish.
I didn't think it was gonna be this small.
You still want it, dude? But it's also
Just tighten it up. I have to tighten
Don't
it up.
tighten it up because then it's not gonna work. I thought it's gonna be a totally different one.
I didn't think this was going to be so small. Oh no. It's also scratched.
It's scratched probably because of. Wait, can I see the bubble wrap?
It's actually scratched. Okay, tighten it up. Just tighten. This is pretty much a fidget spinner. This is a fidget spinner I got. It's really small, and this is pretty much a fidget spinner. Like the video if you want a trick shot video, and bye.